Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. Breaking in is Baxi and the fan light is flashing. Light here as well? No. His entrance you can get light please. His entrance you can get light please. So we're going to diagnose this and we're going to repair this, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. One issue and I guess it's blown as well. No, never open only. No. That's better.
Lotion's cooked.
So what we got on this is a leaking nut on the diaphragm and the fan light flashing. So guys, we got the boiler to fire up by just disconnecting the pipe of the venturi that's connected to the air pressure switch. So that seems like the air pressure switch is faulty or weak. We're going to change that. Hopefully this boiler should be working fine after that. Right guys, I got a new air pressure switch. It's not the same one. They made some modifications on it. So I've got the new air pressure switch. So we're ready to test it out and hopefully it's all working fine after that. We also changed the nut on the diaphragm on the diverter valve and that's not leaking anymore. Just try your tap right. Try the tap in there. Try the tap. Tap. Is it off? Sorry. Off. Close. Open. Okay, leave it open till if the hot water's coming through, yeah? No hot water? Yeah. It's good. Alright. Okay, the pressure's a bit high, we're just reducing that. I think they overpressurized it. But other than that, the boiler's fine now. So we're going to heating and hot water. Guys, just repaired this Baxi 105. It's been a long time since I've worked on it, but still got some bit of experience on them. But anyway, the air pressure switch on that was faulty. We can't. They've made them more compatible now. So anyway, I changed the air pressure switch and it was also leaking from the micro switch, diaphragm micro switch. So I also changed that. The leak sorted. There's a bucket underneath there right next to there's a bucket right next to the electric meter and it's leaking. Luckily the water didn't go into the electric meter. So anyway, it's all sorted now. It's all working fine. Till next time, Birmingham Solihull. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You will come in my video then?
No, that can be less.
No worries.